Creating content for social media every single day can get exhausting. You need captions, posts, ads, emails, and sometimes you just sit there staring at a blank screen with no idea what to write. And even when you do come up with something, it doesn't always sound that good, or it can actually just sound basic or even repetitive. That's where AI tools come in. But here's the truth, most people actually use AI the wrong way. And that's why they end up with content that actually sounds robotic or just boring. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Typli AI to actually create high quality content for social media marketing step by step in a way that's simple and beginner friendly. So I'm also going to show you how it compares to other tools, some common mistakes to avoid, and a few tips that will instantly improve your results. So if that sounds good, let's get started. So first, simply open up your browser and type in Typli AI. So you should see the official website come up, so simply go ahead and click on it. Now, once you land on the homepage, this is where everything is. So Typli AI is basically an all-in-one content platform that gives you access to a wide range of tools. You can generate text, create images, write emails, rewrite content, and even chat with AI all in one place. Now, if you've used other tools like ChatGPT or any other similar AI writers, this is kind of like having all of that combined into one dashboard. So instead of switching between different apps, everything's just here. Now, one thing you'll notice is that there are a lot of tools here, like literally over 180 of them. And yeah, this can really feel overwhelming at first, but honestly, you don't need most of them. If you're getting started, simply focus on the core ones, the text generator, the rewriter, and even the image generator. These alone are enough to create content for pretty much any social media platform. Now, let's actually create an account together. So simply go to the top right corner and click on sign up. From here, you then have to choose your email account and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you do all that, your account will then be created instantly. So once you're logged in, you can then click on account in the top right section. From here, you'll then be able to see your name, your email, and even your usage. So this shows you how many words you've generated and what limits you have. So if you're using the free version, there will be a limit on how many words you can generate each month. Now, this is actually one of the most common complaints people have about platforms like this. The free plan is a bit limited, but to be fair, most AI tools work the same way. You usually get limited usage unless you actually upgrade. So just keep that in mind depending on how often you plan to use it. Now let's move on to the main part, which is actually creating content. So simply go back to the homepage and click on the AI text generator. This is where you describe what you want and the AI literally generates it for you. So think of it like giving instructions to a writer. The clearer your instructions are, the better the results will be. So let's start with a simple example. So simply type in something like write an engaging Instagram caption for a skincare product that helps with acne. Okay, so from here you can then hit generate. So within a few seconds, you then get a complete caption. So let's actually take a second to look through. Nice, wow, that was actually fast. So let's take a second to actually read through what it generated. So you'll notice that it usually starts with some kind of hook, then explains the product, and then ends with a call to action. So this structure is actually very important for social media content. You always want to grab attention, deliver value, and tell the audience what to do next. Now this is really good, but let's be honest for a second, sometimes AI content can feel a little bit generic, which makes sense because this is a common issue that a lot of people talk about. So it's not that the tool is bad, it's just that the prompting wasn't detailed enough. So let's fix that. Let's try another example, but this time we're going to be more specific. So let's try write a friendly Instagram caption for a skincare brand targeting teenagers, include emojis, and add a call to action. All right, then simply hit generate again. Now compare this result to the previous one and you instantly notice that it feels a little bit more targeted, more natural, and more engaging. So this is because we gave the AI more context to work with. So this is honestly the biggest difference between beginners and people who are good at using AI tools. Beginners give very basic prompts and more experienced users give detailed instructions. So a simple way to think about this is what do you want, who is it for, what tone do you want, and what is the goal. So if you include those 4 things, your results literally improve instantly. Now let's do one more example so you actually really understand this. So let's say you're promoting a fitness product. So instead of saying something like write a caption for a fitness product, you could say something like write a motivational Instagram caption for a fitness product targeting beginners, then use an energetic tone and keep it under 100 words and include a strong call to action. Yeah, okay. So generate. And again, you'll then be able to see a clear difference in quality. Now here's another small trick. If you don't like the first result, don't just accept it. Simply click generate again, or even slightly tweak your prompt. So sometimes changing one word can completely change the output. Now, apart from generating content from scratch, you can also improve content that you already have. So let me copy this right here, and then we can go over to the rewriter too. So let's say you already wrote something, but it sounds a bit off. Maybe it's too formal or it's not engaging enough. You can literally just paste it into the rewriter and let the AI improve it. So this is actually one of my favorite features because it saves a lot of time, and instead of starting from scratch, you just refine what you already have. There's also an email generator, which is also good. So this is useful if you're doing outreach, promotions, or even talking to clients. Now, instead of overthinking what to write, you just describe the situation and let the AI generate a structured email for you. You can also edit the final product if you want. Now, another feature is the image generator. So if you're creating social media content, visuals, honestly, they matter a lot. So instead of searching for stock images or designing everything manually, you can literally generate images directly inside the platform. Now earlier I did mention comparisons, so let's talk about that quickly. So compared to something like ChatGPT, Typli AI is more structured. It actually gives you ready-made tools instead of just a blank chat box, which can actually be easier for beginners. Now on the other hand, tools like ChatGPT can be more flexible if you already know exactly what you're doing. So it really depends on your style, to be honest. If you want something simple and organized, Typli works really well. But if you want full control and flexibility, you might prefer a more open tool. Now let me show you a simple workflow that you can actually follow. First, you'd simply have to generate your caption using the text generator. Then if needed, you can then improve it using the rewriter. And after that, simply create an image that matches your content and finally post everything on your social media platform. That's your entire content creation process done in just a few minutes. And once you've gotten used to it, this becomes very, very fast. So instead of spending hours thinking about content, you can literally generate, edit, and post much more efficiently. So one last thing I would like to say, guys, is don't rely on AI 100% of the time. Always read through what it generates and make small edits if needed. So simply add in your own tone, your own style, and make it feel more human, because that's literally how you're gonna stand out. So don't just copy and paste everything, take a few seconds to improve it. Over time, you get better and faster at this. And you also start creating content much more consistently. So yeah, that's actually how to use Typli AI to create content for social media marketing in a simple and effective way. So if you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.